Well, it's the morning before we're leaving off to go to 4Piston Racing. We got our Jeep ready over here. We're getting ready to go. We got a 7-hour drive ahead of us. And we're going to stay in a hotel tonight. And in the morning, we're going to 4Piston finally. See the surprise we've got. So, we're going to head out. Maybe I'll catch you at the hotel. We'll see. Until then, guys, alright. Now, if you guys are new to this channel and you've never checked out some of my videos, I'm going to put a card up here for you and give you a little sneak peek of what you're missing. We're going to get after it here, no matter what. God damn, son! Oh my god! Woo! Gotta get slowed down! The nitrous video is pretty good too. I'll put a card up for that also. Alright, let's get right back into it. I'm from Ohio. Yes, sir. Cool. Yeah, I just took the chance of, entering. I got really lucky, bought a t-shirt and won this community, I'm really into Hondas and...
Well, your odds are a lot better.
Exactly.
It is with like the water here.
Exactly, and that was my thought. Even if the odds were like 1 in 2,000 or 1 in 3,000, which I heard they were better than that.
Yeah.
You're doing so much better. I've mainly been into like the H22 stuff, but K24 is always the next evolution,
I've got a H22 at home myself. And it's in a Prelude, 95 Prelude.
Yeah, mine's on a 97. So you've got a 4th gen.
Yep.
Dude, it's the baddest 4th gen you'll ever see in your life.
Really?
Polished head, polished block, polished transmission. When was it built?
How you doing? I'm Brad.
Josh.
Nice to meet you,
Hi, I'm
Dad.
Glenn.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Glenn.
Glenn, how you doing, man?
Oh, it's built. Well, it's still kind of being built.
Yeah. Just needs an ECU.
Yeah.
I built it in like 90, late 90s, early 2000s. So it's got like all the STR parts on it and like,
It's like a time capsule.
Yeah.
it's got a fast track turbo on it. I don't know if you remember fast tracks back in the day. It's all old school stuff.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you have a page I can look it up? Or
No,
anything
but I'll
on
show you
Facebook?
pictures.
Alright.
You guys have, it's the same, yours is the Model X?
Yeah, mine's the 5th gen, yeah.
So you have like the longer headlights?
Yeah.
Not a lot of guys mess with any of those trailers.
I know, the world record hasn't been beaten and it was set like 10 years ago.
Is that the blue one?
Yeah,
Yeah.
the 1,000 horsepower one. He did it with a set of synchronized straight cut gears.
Yeah, I think they got rid of 5th gear and then they locked in 4th or something.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. They put a cup on it.
There's a race car or a street car?
It's a street car. I mean, it's like 800 horsepower, but
It's gotta be fun.
it is fun, but it's impractical for the road, But I mean, that's what boost control is all for.
Yeah.
But now with all these all-wheel drive setups that they're doing, you can really mess with it and put the power down. So I've always wanted to get into the K's, and
Perfect opportunity.
they've just got blocks in here for days. They're definitely not hurt. Here's another H22. That's a killer. Balance shaft elite kit. O-rings. It's just awesome.
Nobody will probably be on here for a while,
Yeah,
but
yeah. They're all at work.
it's sending them. Yeah, everybody's at work.
We pulled into the motel parking lot last night in the car in front of a Skizford sticker and had
4Piston Racing.
Come on.
At the hotel?
Swear, I tried to get a picture.
At the hotel?
They rolled in. Yeah, Yeah, right at the Comfort Inn down the street. I thought, man, they own this
Wonder
town.
what it was. Surprisingly,
it was-
we don't have a massive amount of local business.
Yeah.
Our Honda scene around here is not very big.
Yeah, I can understand.
It's all Subaru and
Yeah,
Mustangs and stuff like that.
yeah.
What's up, guys? We got our giveaway enter here to pick up the engine with his dad. Go ahead and tell him your name and.
My name's Brad Appel. I got lucky. I bought this shirt, and I didn't believe it at first, but I'm here. I'm standing in front of it, you know, and now
care.
the dreams come true. So
Awesome. We just wanted to show you guys. Pretty cool. They come to pick it up. It was Monday. What are you working on?
Turbo Sport Front Drive K20.
Cool.
All right, well, we made it home the other day, yesterday, and as you can see, it was a lot different. When we left out there, we were good, and about 2 hours away from home, we run into a blizzard. We were chasing the blizzard the whole way home, and finally when we got to Columbus, it got us. And what should have took another 2 hours and 15 minutes ended up taking 4 hours. We went from going 70 miles an hour down to 30. It was horrible. We were in a super badass Jeep Commander all-wheel drive V8, and this thing, we almost went off the road twice in 30 miles an hour. I'm just so grateful that we actually made it. Crazy time, just crazy. I'm glad that's over with. The motor's safe, it's downstairs, so